Hello YouTube! Welcome to my first YouTube video ever. I thought I'd like to do a video on this Browning Black Label series Tactical Blade because I really dig it. So I thought I'd share it with a little bit of everybody if I can. So I've already been using this for a few days, but I thought you guys might like to see the package if you haven't seen it already. It's pretty cool. It's black label. It's pretty cool. Stupid bag thing. Yeah, no bag, but it looks good right off the bat. But you know, if you notice my puny little keyboard hands, this thing looks really huge in them. So, but it makes up for the large size for how good it feels. It is easy to deploy. Very nice. The studs are kind of in reverse there. I dig that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so we got a 3/4 inch blade. Wow. Pretty cool. Notice the shape on that grip, man. G10. It is nice. It feels good. Especially with my cute little hands. It doesn't feel big just because on the shape of it alone. You really can't tell the second side here where your finger would go. Normally that bugs me because it kind of makes you choose where your finger's going to slide. But not this one. This one's sweet. It's got that liner lock here. That's also beautiful because when it locks, you know it. It does it like it means it. It's pretty sweet. It's got the 8CR13 MOV steel on there. It's pretty cool. This is 8 inches long when it's fully flipped. Yeah. See the jipping on there? Boom. It looks nice. It's not too sharp either, but it gives you good grip. This one here, it's only just slightly grippy on the sides. Not kind of almost slippery. Almost slippery up and down, but side to side it's perfect. So you can give it that little slide. It's wonderful. It's got just a little bit here on the back too. That stuff's cool. Just go for it. Start grabbing where you need to go. That's awesome. The pocket clip's awesome too. Problem is, it's a really strong one. So as soon as you put it in your pocket, if you can get it in your pocket, that thing grips. You gotta really pull your pants down, slide it out in order to get it out. But it's cool. I'm handy that way. I can do it. I get it out, pop it out, you're good to go. But this is a large blade. From here to here. It's gigantic. It's supposed to be a tactical blade. I think it's a good EDC also. Got a good shanking point there. I think this will get some damage done. Need to cut into some flesh. Need to stab a box, which brings me to this is straight out of the box, man. This thing is sharp. I'm digging it. Look at that. Right out of the box. Good angle to get a cut piece there, see? Look at that. I can't believe that. That is some sweet. I cut this foam all day long. Like I said, I've been using this thing for a few days. Haven't sharpened it yet. Cuts it like butter. I'm cutting boxes, tapey stuff, box wraps. Even cut into some of those box staples a couple times. And it's still cool. Still looks good. It's got that like titanium layer over the blade. That's cool. This also comes in tan. Make it look even more tactical that way, but I thought I'd go with the black. Looks pretty decent. Here's what my buddy pointed out on this liner lock. Right where the liner locks in, boom. It's got kind of an angle, almost a radius on there. Most of them are flat. Just another added feature to this thing, makes it look cool. Here you got the detailed bolt. I like that. Got your Allen wrenches. And yeah, you know, it's kind of hard to deploy this way, but it's cool because you just give it a slight flick and you're done. I had to get used to how heavy this feels coming out of the pocket. And when it's in your pocket, which I really don't like, it's almost like a small cell phone. I'm a 6-foot guy, so this feels heavy in my pocket. You know it's heavy. But whatever, it's a big knife. 3/4 inch blade, 8 inches overall. That's pretty decent, huh? It feels good in the hand. Real good in the hand. I mean, it's decent, right? I like it. It fits good. It does what I need it to do for a knife. I don't care what it costs retail because I got it for $30 on eBay. That's pretty cool stuff. Huh? Well, that's it. You like a blade like this? Check it out. It's got a little hourglass detail on there. That's pretty cool. And it's centered. Actually centered. That's the cool stuff. Yeah. How's that for a blade? There's nothing. I think my finger gives out more than this thing. Nice. I cut myself twice on this trying to flip it around. But that's cool because it feels good. Yeah. Browning. Black Label. No boundaries. Tactical. Really good. EDC. Beautiful. This will be my new everyday shank everything knife. I'm using it for everything. It's got good materials made on it. It is sturdy. It feels good. For 30 bucks, this is probably one of the best, I think, on the market from what I've seen. Boom. Thank you, YouTube. Hopefully the Tech Man Dan gave you a little something to think about. That is a good knife. Give it a shot. Boom. 2 thumbs up.